In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust pen pressure in Clip Studio Paint. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the top left and click on File, and then here towards the bottom, you can find pen pressure settings. Then here, it's going to basically allow you to show the pen pressure graph or not, so I usually just do that, turn it on like that. You can move it around if you wanna. And then here it says draw freely on the canvas with the pen, and then while drawing, intentionally vary your pen pressure as you would normally while drawing, okay? And over here, it says when you finish drawing, select check adjusted settings. So just go ahead and basically start drawing on the canvas over here just like this, so it's up to you. Or you could also go ahead and of course change this over here, so this kind of pressure graph that you have, and whenever you actually adjust it according to your own preference, of course you can play around with this and see what suits you best. If you click, you can create another one of these points. You can then drag out stuff like this, and then you can just go and click on check adjusted settings, and then over here you can select stronger or lighter, up to you, whatever you want, and then click on done. Now that's going to adjust your pen pressure, okay? But if you want to go back to default because you may have made a mistake, again, go to pen pressure settings and you can reset the default just with a click of a button just like that. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.